Good morning. Today we are going to learn the ER verbs. In ER verbs, we are supposed to remove the ER at the ending of the verb and we are supposed to add the words which is given here at the ending. So as you could see, generally many of us know the endings what should be added, but many of us gets confused. Like I'm referring to school children here who are getting confused to add the endings where it should be placed. So here I have given it clearly, like je will go with a, tu will go with as, il will go with a, el will go with a, nu will go with ons, who will go with ez, il will go with ent, el will go with ent. Okay. So as you could see, how do we form the ER verb? Generally, we are supposed to remove the ER from the ending of the verb and we are supposed to add these endings which is given here. After removing the ER from the verb, the remaining words we call it as radical of the verb. Okay, it's called as the radical of the verb. So we are supposed to add the endings with radical, so which in turn gives us the conjugation of the verb in present tense, which says the conjugations in present tense. For example, here I have taken the verb parler, which is a verb, ER verb. I am removing the ER from the verb, so PARL becomes the radical of the verb. So as I have already said, I am adding the radical with the endings as shown. Okay. So now, as I have already said, parler means to speak. I have taken parle, which is the radical. So this is how I instruct my kids to start. Okay, I'll ask them to write the 8 subject pronouns and the complete full set of parler next to them. Okay, then I ask them to give a strike on the ER. Then I ask them to strike the ER in all the verbs. Then I ask them to add the endings of the verb. Okay, they'll be adding the endings. So later they are supposed to write the subject pronoun with the radical and its ending together. So it forms the formation of the ER verb. Now here whatever we have now is called as the conjugation of ER verb in present tense. Okay, je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle. Nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. Here it is actually ELLES only. It's a typing error. Okay. Now we are going to look at the other examples like parler, which is aimer, écouter, demander, préférer, regarder, adorer, étudier, donner, travailler, jouer, détester, déjeuner, chanter, inviter, marcher, habiter, fermer, préparer, tomber, visiter. Okay, these are the other examples in the same way that you could try. Just do one thing. Strike the ER at the ending. Practice it unless and until you get practiced. Do it in this way. Then you can directly do the verbs. Okay, thank you.